It's raining. I wish to walk in this rain. So yeah, let's start. It is the last part of April and this road is South Halstead Road and the neighborhood is Beesport. Yeah, you see some late lighting also. It's a new feeling. I mean, it's not that much cold because the winter is finally over. However, when it rains, the stuffs become very much cold. And the bus of the Chicago Public Transport Service CPA. So this area is around 2.5 miles south to the downtown of Chicago. So yeah, I will go all the way straight to this 35th Street. So yeah, let's start. So as I said, it is the late April. So the weather is wonderful. I mean, it's not the harsh winter, which I would like to say the winter is like icy winter, hard iced winter. It's a lot in Chicago. So yes, and although the nature has not fully reclaimed its greens and flowers, but yeah, the trees have already good leaves, a good amount of leaves, and some trees have the flowers. But I think it will take a couple of weeks more. I mean, in the mid-May, we will see the full-fledged Chicago, the beautiful Chicago, in definitely summer. So yes, this is Emerald Avenue. So actually, I am going to my home. I came out to have a walk, but yeah, I mean, that time there was no rain, apart from some drizzling, but now it's a lot. I mean, honestly, I could not resist myself of having the experience inside rain. Now I am getting wet, and I mean, it sometimes it looks great or it feels great when you do something that you don't usually do. Yes, so usually most of the case when you walk through the neighborhood of Chicago, you will feel great because it's calm, it's quiet, a lot of nature, trees. Overall the feeling is wonderful for the most part of it. uh, So, and that is also the most of the people that came to visit Chicago, I think they spend there all the time in the downtown. But I believe they could also uh, go to some neighborhood that at least some miles away from the downtown and have some local I mean, local refreshment and see what other options they have locally. So I think that would be a great options also for the tourists and the people that come to Chicago, because in that way they will have a glimpse of how the actual Chicago looks and works. I mean, the people and the other says. So I am now almost completely drenched by the rain. But yeah, it is definitely a wonderful experience for me today. And I took a good decision of having a walk here during rain, and if the weather is good in the future, I'll take this more. Oh, the lighting. It not only looks but it also feels a lot different in rain, especially the weather just cool, the lighting effect, the reflection you see, the camera, that's also, I mean, much more pronounced and dynamic in real life. So yes, if you want to enjoy rain, just come to rain, I think. I don't have an umbrella right now, so that's why the camera lens was a bit thick, bloody. those who are interested and at least have some flu shots, I can, I mean, you can have a walk in rain when the and in the summertime especially, not in the winter because you will, I mean, be sick or you could be sick. But yeah, it's been going a great experience for me today. I like it. I like it. I love the way how it turns out to me. Yeah, now I am at the 34th Street, close to my home. This is the street I came all the way. Yes. Bye bye. Have a great day.